give you an idea what the audio quality is like on this. The best way I've found of recording it is to make a phone call to myself. So I'm using an audio recorder connected to the phone line at home, and I'm talking to you through this Shark Evo 1 helmet. And yeah, I've got the Cardo on. I'm doing 30 miles an hour now, obviously with the visor down, the helmet closed. I'm on a Versus 1000, the standard one. It's got the smaller screen, the screen's down. So if I pop the visor open, I'm getting a bit more wind in here now. Still doing 30 mile an hour, and hopefully you should be able to hear me clearly. Slowing down now to give you an idea of what the sound like for the pillion using this as a rider's pillion intercom, or of course if you are making calls. So we'll carry on at 30 mile an hour, and then we'll start increasing the speed and open the helmet up. Now I'm using the boom mic here. This Freecom only comes with the boom mic, which is unfortunate because if you've got a full face lid, you need the wired mic. Now fortunately that started being brought into the UK for $11.99. I would recommend that if you've got a full face lid. So, visor down, 40 mile an hour. 45 mile an hour now. So I don't want to annoy the drivers too much. Bring it up. 50 mile an hour. 60 mile an hour. Go up to cruising at 70 mile an hour. Now some intercoms will start to struggle. It really does very much depend on how quiet your helmet is. This is a fairly average quietness helmet. So we're doing 70 mile an hour. We'll have to see what it's like when we get home. Now it's open. The visor open at 70 mile an hour. I'm getting a fair bit of bumps here. Actually, making me feel a bit friendly. Let's again see you with here. That's not very tough. 70 mile an hour. This is very nice. This is 50 mile an hour. I hope you can hear me now with the visor open. Slow right down to come to some traffic. Okay, we're just down to 10 mile an hour now. Obviously, as you can see, I've still got this intercom open. Let's just get round this lot. Okay, so this is 30 mile an hour. Boom mic, so you've got all the wind blast up here. You've got as much wind blast on the ear here. My head's not protected by the screen of this Versus 1000. Like I say, I do love riding this bike. It's so easy but so enjoyable to ride. So, 40 mile an hour. Thank you, nice and steady to get up here. We're getting up already. 50 mile an hour, the wind's got me on my face. If I stand up, I've got a smoother wind on my face now. You get a bit of buffeting here with the wind. This is typical. Back up. Oh, that's wind there. Chin guard now down. There's a little bit of a test with this helmet. This is as quiet as this helmet can be with this chin protector down. 70 mile an hour. A little bit of a test with this, sometimes it gets a bit caught and flaps up, but the stand up, that's the smoothest wind you'll get within 70 mile an hour. But yeah, most people are going to be using the screen, so you'd expect some buffeting. If I tuck down behind the screen, this should be pretty quiet now. We're doing 70 mile an hour. I'm out of all the wind blast now. Put it in top gear, so you're not getting that induction roar from this bike. It gives you an idea how quiet it can be. But of course, if you're chatting to your pillion, if you need to talk to at higher speeds and you get too much wind blast, you can, of course, duck down. But hopefully this has given you an idea of just what the Cardo Freecom 1 actually sounds like.
Test, test. Okay.